In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create infographics in Visme. We'll move from a blank idea to a polished visual step by step, keeping things simple and practical so you can follow along with confidence. Start by searching for infographic. In Visme's template library, use the search bar and type the word infographic. This filters the gallery to layouts designed specifically for data and storytelling. Take a moment to scan the categories and previews. Think about your topic, how much information you have, and the format you need. Vertical infographics are great for step-by-step explanations or timelines, while more modular designs can showcase statistics and comparisons. Pick a template that already mirrors the structure of your content so you spend less time rearranging later. Select the template you want. Click to open it and look over the sections from top to bottom. Notice the headline space, subheads, and content blocks. Ask yourself what your main message is and where you want the viewer's eye to go first. If a particular section doesn't serve your story, plan to remove or combine it. If you're missing a section, identify where it should go so the flow remains clear. Edit the text, colors, and layout to fit your content. Click on any text to rewrite it with your own words. Keep headlines short and punchy, and use subheads to organize details. Aim for concise copy with generous line spacing for readability. Next, apply your color palette. Choose 2 or 3 core colors and use contrast to separate sections and highlight key numbers. Change fonts if needed, but stick to a simple pairing. One for headings, one for body text. Now, refine the layout. Drag and drop elements to create a clear visual hierarchy, align items using guides, and leave enough white space so nothing feels crowded. If your information changes length, resize text boxes and adjust spacing so everything still looks balanced. Add charts, icons, and visuals from the Assets panel. Open the panel to browse charts, diagrams, icons, photos, and illustrations. Pick chart types that match your data. Bar and column for comparisons, line for trends, pie or donut for parts of a whole. Enter your numbers and label clearly so values are easy to interpret. For icons and illustrations, search by keyword and keep to a consistent style and line weight. Use visuals to reinforce points, not to distract. Adjust sizes, colors, and placement so they complement your text and guide the viewer's eye smoothly down the page. That's it. Search, select, edit, and enhance with visuals. Keep it clear, consistent, and focused on your message, and your infographic will do the talking.